I got a mustache. I'm Dylan. I'm a mean man.
This actually is a real one. Put your hands away. Put your hands away. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, good. Pick them up.
The real fishy.
Hey, whoa. Show the camera, it's a real one. Dylan, show these guys.
It's a real fish.
It is? Oh, it is.
It's a real fish.
It is a real fish.
What the?
Talk about him.
We gotta put him in the fish tank, guys.
Put him in the fish tank. What are we gonna do in the fish tank?
Oh, wait. Welcome and tuned in. Today we're doing a mystery box animal. We put animals in a box and then I guess it.
You're gonna guess what it is. All right, here.
I'm not telling it.
Thank you, Peyton. Peyton is here too. She's not gonna tell him what it is. First of all, don't you look at the camera. Keep your eyes closed. And don't tell him what it is, Peyton. The first one. Okay, put it in there. What is it? Take your time and talk it out. Try to figure out what it is.
It feels like.
Does it feel hard or soft or?
It's hard.
Okay, don't take it out.
Glass.
Correct.
And
It's a lizard. Good one, Dylan.
You can put it in here.
Yeah, show us. What is it?
It's a lizard.
All right, put it to the over that side.
That likes to fly.
It's not a fly. It's a lizard.
That likes
Okay.
to fly.
This one has a fly. Don't look. This one.
I like that one.
Don't look, Dylan. Okay, go ahead.
I will tell.
Don't tell him. Don't feel it out. Talk it out. Talk it out. What's it feel like? What do you think it feels like? Talk it out.
I don't know.
What does it feel like to you?
Pony.
Shh.
A
Peyton, what is-
pony.
You're not telling us. Peyton told us you cheated. Okay, Peyton.
Your foot Peyton.
Peyton, you not can tell Dylan. You get. Okay, I got another one. Close your eyes. Peyton, please don't tell him. Promise?
Hey, I will tell him again.
You gonna promise?
Yeah, I will tell him.
Oh, you will tell him.
Yeah.
Why would you?
I will tell him.
Okay, here goes another one. Don't tell him.
Hello.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. I'm gonna fly.
No, it's not. That's what it is. All right. Kelly, I need you. Please. Yeah.
Peyton was telling items, but her's out of here. Get to it.
Yeah, we had to kick her out. Okay, so we'll go to the next item. Okay, no peeking. Okay, tell me what it feels like.
Ooh, it's a rattlesnake.
Oh, it is a snake.
It's a rattlesnake.
Good one, Dylan.
It's long, guys.
What do rattlesnakes do?
They bite me with it.
Oh my gosh, he bit me in the leg. All right, here we go.
Later.
Here's the next item.
Peek.
No peeking.
Later. It's a troll head.
That's a troll head. Show everybody that was a good one.
His head's sticking out.
Yep, that's true. All right. All right. All right, here we go. Try this one. Close your eyes.
I can guess that one.
Whoops.
It's a zebra.
Nope, you gotta put your hands on it first, son.
Huh. A horse.
No, what is it?
It's a monkey.
It's a monkey. Okay, we got 2, 3 more. Okay, this is gonna be a good one. Don't quake. That's a good one. Hey, you ate the goldfish.
Yeah.
All right, we got 3 more. Ready? Okay, close your eyes. This actually is a real one. Put your hands away. Put your hands away. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, good. Pick them up.
The real fishy.
Show the camera, it's a real one. Dylan, show these guys.
It's a real fish.
It is? Oh, it is.
It's a real.
Tell us about them.
It's a real fish.
It is a real fish.
What the? We gotta put him in a fish tank, guys.
Put them in the fish tank. What are we gonna do with the fish tank?
Oh my god, we gotta put him here.
Oh, put them up in the front. So we can see them. Oh, up here. There we go. All right, you ready, guys? We got the last one. Here it is. Huh?
This fish.
We got the last one.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
This one should be a good one.
It's a real one.
Not a real one. Close your eyes. It's a real, not a real one, but it's a. Take your hands out first. Hold on. 1. Okay, keep your hands in. Don't pull it out. Try to guess it.
It's a gummy.
But wait, don't pull it out. What type of animal is it? Try to guess what gummy animal it is. Try to guess what type of gummy. No peeking. Take your time. This is a big one. We want to try to find out what type of gummy it is.
I think it's a...
Don't pull it out.
I don't know what it is.
Take one guess. Feel it with your hands. Feel it out around in your hands. Lift it up and feel it.
I think it looks like a spider.
Okay, well go ahead and pull it out. Tell me what it is.
It's...
Hold it up.
It's an alligator.
Show me. Let's see it. Let's see the alligator. What is it?
It's an alligator.
It's a gummy alligator.
I'm gonna eat his tail.
Is it a good one?
Bye guys, if you like this video, thumbs up if you like animals, subscribe with alligators and fish and this and a monkey. Thank you for watching, Dylan, and bye.